when you are going to restart or shut down your computer, you notice that there is another update forced on you and you hate it because it breaks something every once in a while and you don't have time to fix it. Whatever your reason, I get it. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to stop Windows updates permanently in 2026. We go from the easiest to the most bulletproof. Let's do it. One quick note before we start. Windows updates include security patches. Disabling them permanently works best on dedicated machines, like a gaming rig or a work PC you fully control. For a general use computer, you may want to just pause updates instead. Okay, let's get into it. Method 1, the metered connection trick. Fastest way to do this. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet. Click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on how you're connected. Click your active connection name. Scroll down and toggle on Set as metered connection. That's it. Windows now thinks you're on a limited data plan and it stops downloading updates automatically. The catch, this blocks automatic downloads, but it's not completely airtight. And if you switch networks, you'll need to set it again. So, great starting point, but let's go deeper. Method 2, using Windows services. This one hits harder. Press Windows key +R on your keyboard. Type services.msc and hit enter. A list of system services opens up. Scroll down to Windows Update, double-click it. Under Startup Type, change it from automatic to disabled, then click Stop to shut it down right now. Hit Apply, then OK. Now, Method 3, the most permanent fix. If you have Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise, this is your best option. Press Windows +R, type gpedit.msc, and hit Enter. This opens the Group Policy Editor. Navigate to Computer Configuration. Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update. Manage End-User Experience. Double-click Configure Automatic Updates. Select Disabled. Click Apply and OK. Done. Windows updates are locked off at the system policy level. If you're on Windows 11 Home, you don't have group policy. No worries. Press Windows +R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Navigate to H-key Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows. Right-click on Windows, new key, name it Windows Update. Inside that key, create another key called AU. Now inside AU, right-click New D Word D32-bit value. Name it No Auto Update and set its value to 1. That does the same job as group policy, just through the back door. So there you go, 3 ways to stop Windows updates in 2026. Use Method 1 as a quick fix. Use Method 2 for a solid block. Use Method 3 when you want it locked down permanently. If this saved you from another surprise restart, hit the like button. It genuinely helps. Subscribe if you want more quick, no-fluff tutorials like this one. I'll see you in the next one.